Welcome to Herbal Flavors. In today's video, we're exploring 5 powerful herbal teas that can help boost your immunity, fight colds and flu, and support your overall health naturally. Whether you're looking for natural ways to soothe your throat, reduce congestion, or strengthen your immune system, these herbal remedies are simple, effective, and easy to prepare at home. Stay tuned as we dive into each tea, share their amazing benefits, and even show you how to make them yourself. Elderberry, also known as Sambucus nigra, is a truly remarkable herb renowned for its powerful immune-boosting properties. Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and flavonoids, elderberries help the body fight off viruses more effectively, reducing the duration and severity of colds and flu. This herb has a long history of use in both Europe and North America, where it has been valued for centuries as a natural remedy to support overall health and well-being. Elderberry works by stimulating the immune system and providing antiviral and anti-inflammatory support, which can help the body respond more efficiently to infections. Drinking elderberry tea at the first signs of illness is a simple yet effective way to alleviate common cold and flu symptoms, including nasal congestion, fatigue, mild fever, and body aches. Its natural compounds work together to enhance the body's defenses, giving you a gentle but potent boost. To prepare elderberry tea, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried elderberries and place them in a cup or small pot. Pour approximately 250 milliliters, 1 cup, of hot water over the berries and let them steep for 10 minutes to release the full range of beneficial compounds. After steeping, strain the tea and, if desired, add honey, a pinch of cinnamon, or a slice of ginger for extra flavor and additional immune support. Enjoy this tea warm, once or twice a day, particularly during cold and flu season. Elderberry tea is not only easy to prepare but also versatile, making it perfect as a preventative drink or whenever your body needs an extra natural boost. Incorporating elderberry into your daily routine is a simple, delicious, and effective way to support your health naturally, while also connecting with a centuries-old tradition of herbal wellness. Echinacea, commonly known as purple coneflower, is a widely celebrated herb recognized for its powerful immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. Native to North America, echinacea has been used for centuries by indigenous peoples as a natural remedy to prevent and treat colds, flu, and other respiratory infections. Its medicinal qualities come from active compounds such as alkaloids, polysaccharides, and flavonoids, which work together to stimulate the immune system, enhance the body's defenses, and help fight off viruses and bacteria. Drinking echinacea tea at the first signs of illness can be particularly effective in reducing the severity and duration of common symptoms such as sore throat, fatigue, mild fever, and general discomfort. To prepare echinacea tea, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried echinacea root or flowers and place them in a cup. Pour approximately 250 milliliters of hot water over the herbs and let them steep for 10 minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to infuse fully. After steeping, strain the tea and, if desired, add a touch of honey or a slice of lemon to enhance the flavor and soothing effects. Enjoy echinacea tea once or twice daily during cold and flu season as a natural, gentle way to support your immune system. Incorporating this herbal remedy into your routine provides not only practical health benefits but also connects you to a long-standing tradition of natural healing. With echinacea, you can take proactive steps to protect your body and promote overall wellness naturally. Thyme is a fragrant Mediterranean herb highly valued for its antimicrobial, respiratory, and digestive properties. Containing active compounds such as thymol and carvacrol, thyme has natural antibacterial and antiviral effects, making it an excellent herbal ally for combating colds, coughs, and respiratory discomfort. In addition to its immune-supporting qualities, thyme is known to aid digestion, helping to relax the gastrointestinal tract, reduce bloating, and promote overall gut comfort. To prepare thyme tea, simply add 1 tablespoon of fresh or dried thyme to a cup of boiling water. Cover the cup and let the herbs steep for 7 to 10 minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to infuse the water. After steeping, strain the tea and, if desired, add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor and soothing effects. Drinking thyme tea can soothe the throat, ease coughing, and support respiratory health, while also offering gentle digestive benefits. Its warm, comforting aroma makes it a perfect natural remedy during cold and flu season, and incorporating it into your daily routine can provide a simple yet effective boost to overall wellness. With thyme tea, you enjoy a combination of flavor, tradition, and natural healing power all in one cup. Lemon balm, a member of the mint family, is well known for its calming, antiviral, and digestive properties. Traditionally used in Europe, lemon balm has been valued for its ability to reduce stress, promote restful sleep, and relieve digestive discomfort. Its active compounds, including rosmaric acid and flavonoids, have antiviral effects that can support the body during cold and flu season. To prepare lemon balm tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried lemon balm leaves in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy warm, optionally adding honey or a slice of lemon. Drinking this tea daily can relax the mind, soothe the digestive system, and enhance overall wellness. Licorice root is a sweet-tasting herb celebrated for its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and soothing effects on the throat and respiratory system. Used in traditional Chinese, Ayurvedic, and European medicine for centuries, licorice root helps ease coughs, sore throats, and respiratory irritation, while also supporting digestion and immune function. To prepare licorice root tea, simmer 1 teaspoon of dried licorice root in 250 milliliters of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy warm, optionally with honey to enhance the soothing effect. Licorice root tea is a natural, gentle remedy that can provide relief during cold and flu season and support overall wellness. These 5 herbal teas are just a glimpse into the world of natural remedies that can support your immune system and overall well-being. If you want to discover even more herbs, recipes, and detailed guidance, don't forget to check out our premium ebook, Herbal Flavors. Lose weight the healthy way. The link is in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss more herbal tips and natural wellness content. Like this video, share it with someone who could benefit from these remedies, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. We love hearing from you. Start incorporating these herbal teas into your daily routine and take a natural step toward better health.